Hey everybody, Raymond with Two Drunk Brothers Garage. Kenny couldn't be here. I'm over at my brother from another mother, Brett's house. He called me last night, said he had a god-awful noise coming from the front end of his Fusion here. Pretty sure we know what it is. I filmed it when I first got here. I'll put that clip next, but we're gonna go ahead and check this noise coming from this front wheel and get this wrapped up for him and see what the problem is, and we'll take you guys along. Stay tuned. Yeah, let's pull that in the garage and keep coming. Keep going. Some god-awful noise in my brother Brett's 2018 Fusion?
Yes, sir.
2018 Fusion. Let's hope that it's something simple. So we're just gonna lift this up a little bit. He's got one of those little body seam pucks to go on the jack so it doesn't crush your body seam down here. I don't know if I can get you down underneath there, but there's a lip up in there. And then this way you're not crushing any of the steel. Sorry folks, there it goes. Can't really get up underneath there with the phone, but we're just gonna lift this up a little bit. We'll get the cover taken off. We'll get the wheel taken off. I suspect we got something jammed in the, oh yeah. That's a good sound right there. Little 6mm. I think these are aftermarket rims that he's got, and I think his stock rims on this Fusion, he probably has his winter tires mounted, which for us are studded tires up here in Alaska.
Yep. Okay, I got a breaker bar.
No, all right. Let's see if we can figure out what's. So it's definitely coming from down in here somewhere. And if you guys look, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to show you guys, but there's our culprit right there. I don't know if you guys can see that up in there. Maybe Brett can get me a flashlight. Well, I'll try to get some light on this. But right in there is our culprit causing that god-awful noise you guys heard. He's got a light. There it is. Do you guys see that down in there? That's causing all the noise right there. That, folks, is just a rock stuck between the dust shield and the rotor, creating all that noise. So it's no big deal. It's just gotta get the tire off and get it out of there. And we're gonna do that now, and then his Fusion is good to go. Simple fix. Just a regular old screwdriver. I'm gonna try to get in there and pry it down without bending the crap out of the dust shield. There it is. There it fell out. That little culprit right there.
What's all that noise?
Was all that noise. Just, we even started polishing her a little bit. But that's it. There you go, sir. That's yours. And
Oh yeah.
no more noise. He won't sound like he doesn't take care of his cars when he's driving around his neighborhood anymore. We're gonna get his tire back on here for him. Maybe if I can figure out which universal set of holes. There we go.
Skip one. Oh,
I
you
did not.
Nope, nope. Sorry, that was me.
I always like to thumb start my lug nuts. That way you know you're not gonna cross. Well, I'm not gonna say you're not gonna cross thread them, but help maybe not cross thread them. Them, put the cap back on, and quick little job. Just doing a quick torque on these. Specs for this were 120 foot-pounds. Done there. Dust cap.
There's a tab.
There's a tab. He says I should look at these before I just go nilly-willy.
Opposite of the screw, there's a tab.
That makes sense. There he is. Look at that. Goes right on when you read the instructions. Quick and easy. God awful noise taken care of. Just a pebble in the freaking dust shield, and between the dust shield and the caliper. Ray, two drunk brothers, saying thanks for watching. Give a like, subscribe, comment. We appreciate it. Kenny obviously is at work, like I said in the beginning of the video. So cheers to everybody. It's a little early in the morning. Not going to be doing a beer right now, but I will catch up after the afternoon hits. Thanks everybody for watching. We sure do appreciate it.